Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Learning. I am Pawanjit Singh Sidhu. Today's topic is elimination method. This method is related to pair of linear equations in two variables, chapter number 3rd of class 10. This is exercise 3.4, question number first part. You have given a pair of linear equations x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. You have to solve x and y by elimination method. It is very clear from the name of the method. You have to eliminate any one variable. You have to first eliminate any one variable. You can eliminate x variable or y variable, any one, okay, to find out the another variable's value. So main thing in this method is that you have to focus on the coefficient of the variable which you want to eliminate first. Suppose I am selecting here variable x to eliminate here, so I have to check the coefficients. In the equation first, the coefficient of x here is 1. In equation second, coefficient of x is 2. So in this method you have to make the coefficients equal first. How to make? You can check this coefficient of x here is 1 but there is 2. They are not equal, so we have to make them equal first. To make the coefficient 2 here, I have to multiply the whole equation by 2 because their coefficient of x is 2. So I have to write here multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides. So keep remember, you have to write the equation in the round, but the number which you are multiplying, write it is as it is. So equation 1 becomes 2 into x plus y is equals to 2 into 5. On the both side you have to multiply. So that means 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. That is equation number 3 now. Now you can check equation 1 now becomes equation 3 by multiplying equation by multiplying it by 2 on both sides. So now you can check here coefficient of x 2 there as in equation number 2nd. Now you have to subtract, main step, subtract equation 2 from equation 3. You can subtract 3 from 2 also. It is upon you. You can take any first. I am writing here equation 3rd first, that is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Since I have to subtract it, so I have, which equation I am subtracting? I am subtracting equation 2nd. So I have to change the each sign of the each term of equation 2nd because I am subtracting equation 2 from 3. So I have to change the sign of each term of equation 2. Here 2x is of positive sign, now it becomes negative. 3y is of negative, now it becomes positive. 4 is positive, now it becomes negative. The sign change only in one condition, when you are subtracting equation 2 from the equation 3. Clear? When subtracting, you can add also, but that condition is the different. I will show you in the next question. But here I am subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. So I have to change the sign of each term of equation 2. Clear? Now this 2x is of positive sign. This 2x is of negative. So you can cancel them because they are equal but opposite in sign. Now this 3y is positive. 2y is also positive. 3y plus 2y, that gives you 5y. Now this 10 minus 4, now it is of negative. 10 minus 4 gives you 6. So it implies value of y is equal to 6 over 5. So by eliminating the variable x here, we got the value of y as 6 upon 5. Clear this method? Now this value of y you have to put in any one equation. You can put in first or in second equation. So I am putting this value in equation first. Right here, put y is equal to 6 over 5 in equation first. Therefore x plus 6 over 5 is equals to 5, it implies value of x is equal to 5 minus 6 over 5. So it implies x is equal to, by taking LCM, 5 5 the 25 minus 166 over 5 on the 5. So it implies x is equal to, subtract 6 from 25, that gives you 19 over 5. So value of x and y are, therefore write here x equal to 19 over 5 and y is equal to 6 over 5. That's all. So that is the elimination method. Now this is part second, in which you have given 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. That is equation number second. That is equation number first. As I told you in question first, that which variable you want to eliminate, you have to focus on their coefficients. They must be equal. In the first question you have eliminated their x variable. Now I am selecting here y variable to eliminate. Any one variable you can select. So here you can see in first equation coefficient of variable y there is 4, but here coefficient of variable y is minus 2. So I told you in the first question how to, by adding the both equations, you can eliminate the variable. So I will add in this question. Okay, so you have, but basic concept is same. You have to make the coefficients equal first of that variable which you want to eliminate. I have selected variable y to eliminate here. So here variable y's coefficient is 4, here is minus 2. So I have to multiply it by 2 both equation, this equation 2 on both sides. Multiply equation 2 by 2 on both sides. On both sides to make the coefficients of variable y equal. So here this equation 2 becomes 2 times 2x minus 2y is equals to 2 times 2, because on both sides you have to multiply 2, so 2 is also there on the right side. 2 to the 4, 4x minus 4y is equals to 4. Now it becomes equation number 3. So now you can check here, variables y coefficient here is minus 4, there is variables y coefficient is positive 4. So now add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and equation 4. You can check here, but what is the identification when you have to add? You can see we have to eliminate variable y here. So coefficient here minus and plus equal but of opposite sign. So that's why we have to add. In the previous question, the both coefficients were of same sign. Clear? But here coefficients are of opposite sign, but they are equal there. So we can add them. So we can add here equation 3 and equation 4. 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So keep remember, don't change sign here. As in the previous question you have changed the sign there of that equation, but we are adding here. So while you are adding, there will be no change in the sign. So this 4y plus this 4y negative, so they can eliminate. Clear? So 4x plus 3x gives you 7x. 10 plus 4 gives you 14. It implies x is equal to 14 over 7. So value of x there is 2. Clear? Very simple. Now to get the another variable y, you have to put this value of x equal to 2 in any one equation, in first or second. Clear? Put x equal to 2 in equation first. Therefore 3 times 2 plus 4y is equals to 10. That is 6 plus 4y is equals to 10. It implies 4y is equals to 10 minus 6. This 6 will be subtracted from 10. 4y is equal to 4. It implies y is equal to 4 upon 4. This 4 is under multiplication with the variable y, so it will goes to under division. So that will cancel. So value of y there is 1. So at last we can write there, therefore value of x is 2 and value of y there is 1. That's all. Okay beta, now this third part you have to try yourself. Okay, third part try yourself. Fourth part is here. Equation 1 is given that x over 2 plus 2y over 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y over 3 is equals to 3. That is equation number second. So any one variable you can select here, x or y. So I am selecting here variable x. You can check in first equation the coefficient of x here, that is 1 over 2. Can we write equation 1 as like this? Half into x plus 2 over 3 into y is equal to minus 1. So coefficient of x here is 1 over 2. Here coefficient of x is 1. So what we can do to make the coefficients equal? We can multiply it by 2 or we can multiply equation 2 by half. So I am multiplying equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides. 2 into half into x plus 2 over 3 y is equal to 2 into minus 1. Clear? Now open the bracket. 2 multiplied by half, 2 will be cancelled with 2, that means only x. Clear? Plus 2 multiplied by 2 by 3, that means 4 over 3 y is equals to minus 2. That is equation number 3. Now you can check here coefficient of x here is 1. In the second equation coefficient of x is already 1. So now the coefficients of the variable x are equal. So now we can now check the symbol for the coefficient of the variable x. Both are positive. So if symbol are equal of the same variable, then we have to always subtract. If symbols are opposite, plus minus, then you can add there. Clear? But here coefficients are equal and same symbol, so same sign, so we can subtract here. Right here, subtract. You can subtract any one equation from another. I am subtracting equation 2 from 3. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So keep remember which equation you are subtracting first. Those equations sign you have to change. So from third we are subtracting, so write third equation first. X plus, I am writing here, x plus 4 over 3y is equals to minus 2. That is equation number third. We have to subtract equation second. Minus y over 3 is equal to 3. Clear? So we have to subtract equation number 2 from equation 3. So now we have to change the sign of that equation. Positive x becomes negative. Negative y over 3 becomes positive and positive 3 becomes negative here. Clear? Now positive x minus x, they will eliminate to each other. So which variable left now? Only y. So you can check here. Here coefficient of y is 4 over 3. Here coefficient of y is positive. Now it becomes positive. Don't write negative. Now it becomes positive. Both are positive. Clear? 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 into y. So we can take LCM now. Firstly we have taken common 1 over 3 or take common y from both. Which thing is left inside bracket? 4 over 3 and here 1 over 3 is equal to minus 2. Now it becomes minus, so minus 3. Clear? Now take LCM there. Both denominators are equal, so in the next step denominator will remain same 3. Numerator will be add into y is equal to minus minus plus, that gives you minus 5. So 5 upon 3 y is equal to minus 5. So it implies value of y is equal to minus 5 multiply. This 3 goes to the numerator and this 5 goes to denominator there. 5 cancel with 5. So value of y is equals to minus 3. Now we have to put this value of y as minus 3 in any one equation. I am putting it in equation number second. put y is equal to minus 3 in equation second, that is x minus y over 3 is equal to 3, x minus in place of 3 y, sorry, in place of y we can write there minus 3 over 3 is equal to 3. Now minus minus become positive, x plus 3 cancel with 3, that means only 1 equals to 3. Clear? It implies, don't forget to write the symbol. Now this 1 go to the right side, 3 minus 1, so value of x is 2. So at last right answer, x as 2 and y as minus 3. Thank you.